Hello there, welcome to Kitsters, and if you're watching this video then you have bought one of our gardening kits. So I'm just going to give you a quick run through of our basil growing kit, but the process for all of the kits remains the same. So in our kit we have 4 of these cocoa peat bricks, we have a glass spray bottle, we have our seeds, and we have a little bit of vermicompost. So the first thing that you want to do is take your 4 cocoa peat discs and add a little bit of water to them. Now you want to let it soak in this water for a good 5 to 10 minutes. And once that's done, you can use a spoon or your hand to just break it down and create a little soil-like consistency. Now you don't want to make it too wet, you want to make it just a little bit damp. Now on top of this cocoa peat, you want to add a little bit of vermicompost. You don't want to empty the whole bag, you just want to use a little bit and just mix it in. Okay, so now we are just going to take out a spoon or 2 of the soil, and then we just want to flatten out the rest that remains in there. And then we take our seeds and we spread it all over our soil. And once that's done, you just want to spray a little bit of water on top of the seeds. Make sure it's a little bit moist. And then we want to cover our seeds with the soil that we took out earlier. So make sure all your seeds are covered nicely and add a little more water and your seeds have been sowed. So you want to keep this can in a small corner of your garden, water them once a day, and within a week you will have these small microgreens. So I hope this video was helpful. Do reach out if you have any questions, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.